How to email creative files using SMTP with Raster Image Printer 12. Whether you are using TIFF Image Printer, Raster Image Printer, or PDF Image Printer, with version 12 of Peernet's image printers, users can email created images and PDFs as attachments silently using the SMTP mail server. To use the Outlook mail server, please see our video called Email Created Files Using Outlook. Begin by creating a custom profile that you want applied during conversion. The profile is a group of settings that will create the output image you want. Double-click on the image printer icon on your desktop to launch the image printer dashboard. If you have removed the image printer icon from your desktop, you will find it by selecting Start and scrolling down to your image printer. Select Edit and Create Profiles. Either create a copy of one of our default profiles or select Add Profile. I will create a copy of the default profile, Color Optimized TIFF. Because I still want to create color multi-page TIFF images, I just want to send the created files as email attachments. Rename the profile to something you will recognize. In this example, I will call it Color Optimized TIFF with Email Enabled, and add with Email Enabled to the description. Go to the Email tab. For this video, we will be using the SMTP mail server. SMTP does not require a mail client to be installed and can send email silently. Please set up your SMTP settings in the Settings panel. The server name, port, connection type, and any required authentication settings for your SMTP server should be available from your IT professional or email provider. Under the On Success tab, enable Send Email when conversion succeeds. Enter your desired message detail parts. From, to, subject, and message are required. CC and BCC are optional. By default, the email settings are configured to send created documents as email attachments. There are additional setting options to limit the size of the email, split oversized emails, and limit the number of emails sent at once. There is also the option to zip the created files into a zip, a 7-zip, or tar compression file, and attach that file to the email. The options available for the zip file are the same as available on the Zip tab: zip folder structure, secure with password, and add custom extension. You are not required to zip the file before attaching to the email. Under the Failure tab, you can configure the image printer to send an email when conversion fails. The created files are not deleted when sent as an email attachment. To automatically clean up the files, go to the Cleanup Options tab. Enable Delete Generated Output Files on Success. This deletes the created output files that were sent as email attachments, leaving the created file only in the email you sent. When you are done making changes, click Save and Back, and close the Profile Manager. Select Manage Printers. Beside your image printer, drop the box for the printing profile and select Color Optimized TIFF with Email Enabled as the default profile. Printer Management also allows you to rename the printer and create multiple copies of the printer. Close Printer Management and the dashboard. Now when you print to your image printer, each created file will be emailed to you as an attachment. For more information on SMTP settings and environment variables and registry keys that can be used on this tab, please see the user guide under Profile Manager, Email. Try out our Raster Image Printer for yourself and see how easy and effective it really is. Follow the link below to download a free trial.